All right, so right now we are at Apogee Cedar Park, and we are having security film installed at this school. I love everything that is inside of these walls and windows, which is why I want this to be the safest place in every imaginable way, so it's a conducive environment for them to learn, but also that they know that they're safe. I had security film at my house, and like right now these guys are slipping it in, making it perfect. And I had a guy try to break into my home, and watching him in real time on security cameras as he was trying to come in, I wasn't worried. It was the coolest thing to be like, watch him go from window to window and know that unless he had a sledgehammer and a quickie saw or a chainsaw, that he's not getting through my window. That's a really, really great feeling. So I want that to be here at the school, which is what we're doing. They're installing them right now. Here's installed, almost installed, not yet installed. You know, obviously we have the security systems on the outside, keypad entrances, but here as we're hustling, bustling, you know, this isn't just industrial, commercial, this is also for your home. It's not hard to have done. You know, it takes, in our case, we used the TintWiz app, and everything was organized for us. It was painless, it was simple, and now I have the confidence knowing that everything inside of these walls is safe. This 8mm film not only makes it really, really difficult to get inside the building, but it also provides protection against UV, light, rays, helps with the expense of being in Texas. It's really hot here. Sometimes it's expensive if you're running your air conditioners all the time. With this, it just keeps it cool because now you have this tint, you have this reflection, and you have the security. So all of the benefits, I think, you know, your return on investment in dollars, in real dollars, you're gonna make your money back, but more importantly, the peace of mind. Knowing that everything in here is safe and sound, you're not getting in this building, this is a safe place to be, your home is safe, your business is safe, and it takes so little effort to be able to get it done. Like, these guys are professionals, they're doing it perfect, and they're gorgeous. Like, look at these windows, look how pretty that is. It's pretty, I like pretty. Clean, this isn't, there's like some hacksaw job with bubbles. These are true professionals, they're masters of their crafts, that are installing the best material on the planet, and it's painless, it's seamless, and everybody is safe and sound. So I recommend it. You know, like, I have it in my home, I have it in my businesses, and now I have it in our school. So be safe, take care of your kiddos.